we're back. Leandro's done. This is our trickiest farm because there's like 8 of these different little pocket things here. We're farming around a creek, so you know, if you ever seen a creek, they're not all straight or nothing, so. So I'm gonna go ahead. Ouch! I hit my knee again. That's the second day in a row. Oh, in the same spot even. That did not feel good at all. Alright, I got a minute to kill, so I'm gonna go ahead and fuel this rig up. Alright, she's filled up. Now let's find something else to do. Alright, I found a truck to drive. Just giving her manual mode. I don't know what that does, but it pops up some sort of green light there. And I'm not sure. Alrighty, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and do some high-speed discing here today. I'm going to get my tractor all set up and we're going to go ahead and just give her. So, let's get to it. Well, here I am on one of the most time-consuming parts of this job here with this disc. I am working on this other angle on this side of this farm. The stuff in the middle will go by fast. The end rows will take me probably an hour because I have to drive everywhere pretty much across the field. Yeah, I'm really liking how this disc is doing back here behind me. Turning it nice and blackish, but not too black or not, not real filtery or nothing. I think that looks nice. Just about done with the second farm here. Grain cart's just dumping out the truck. Combine just left. So I should be pulling out just 10 minutes here. So I got 3 rounds left in between here and the road there. Which then I got some end rows. That'll probably be another 5 minutes or so. So started off my morning sitting in the grain cart from 6 to 12. And now I've been sitting in I came from the grain cart at 12. Now it's 6 o'clock in here. So I've been driving around over here for 12 hours. Okay, the grain cart's leaving. We'll be putting her high gear here. We're getting her done. We're going to high-speed disc for a reason. Let's get her done. My last endro pass. I'm going to go ahead and follow along the edge one more time right up here to this approach, and I'm calling her. Here we go. Oh, it's really sweet in here, actually. Oh, my God, got the disc and the ditch. Like, the ditch, I mean like this big old pond right there that's dry. There we go. Oh. Got AC/DC on it. That won't go over well on YouTube. They'd have me shut down in 10 minutes. I'm hoping I can hop up on the road here and nobody's going to be coming right at me. Oh, it is bigger. Oh, still got the flashers on. Even isn't that impressive? Like the whole field with them on.